Now that is a really big crane. That's called a tower crane. You got to be a little careful on construction sites because it's pretty. It's a little bit dangerous, so you got to be careful where you walk and stuff. Mike, how you doing?
Hey, pretty good, Dave.
Mike is the crane operator, and Mike is going to take us up there. Now, how high is this crane?
It's 240 feet high, Dave.
That's pretty high, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Well, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Where's that elevator?
There's no elevator on this crane, Dave. We'll be taking the ladder all the way to the top.
All the way to the top.
All the way. What's the matter, Dave? You afraid of heights?
No, I'm not afraid of heights.
Well, then let's go up, Dave.
I don't think I'm afraid of heights. I think I can do it. How high was that? Oh man, I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of heights.
Not even halfway up yet.
I'm coming. Oh boy. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of heights. 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 I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I know I can do this. I'm not afraid of heights. 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 Oh man. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid.
Made it to the top.
That's quite a climb, isn't it? Oh man, I'm not afraid of heights. Oh